Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss types of redox reactions. Number 1, combination reaction. We know a reaction in which two or more substances combine together to form a single substance is called a combination reaction. For example, carbon plus oxygen gives us carbon dioxide. Let us see if this reaction is a redox reaction. We know oxidation number of carbon is 0. Similarly, oxidation number of oxygen is 0 because in elemental form the oxidation number of an element is 0. Let us calculate the oxidation number of carbon in carbon dioxide. We know oxidation number of oxygen is -2. Let us suppose oxidation number of carbon is x. X plus 2 into -2 is equal to 0. X minus 4 equal to 0. X equals to plus 4. Hence the oxidation number of carbon is plus 4. We see that oxidation number of carbon changes from 0 to plus 4 and oxidation number of oxygen changes from 0 to -2. When oxidation number changes in reactants and products, then it is a redox reaction. Now let us see one more example. Magnesium reacts with nitrogen to form magnesium nitride. What is oxidation number of magnesium and nitrogen? Obviously 0. These are in elemental form. Let us calculate the oxidation number of magnesium and nitrogen in magnesium nitride. We know magnesium belongs to group second, alkali, earth metals. Oxidation number of magnesium is plus 2. Since there are 3 magnesium atoms, so 3 into 2 plus, let us suppose that oxidation number of nitrogen x plus 2x equal to 0. 6 plus 2x equal to 0. 2x equals to -6. X is equal to -3. Hence, oxidation number of magnesium is plus 2 and oxidation number of nitrogen is -3. Since the oxidation number of magnesium changes from 0 to plus 2 and oxidation number of nitrogen changes from 0 to -3, therefore this is also a redox reaction. Second type of redox reaction is decomposition reaction. We know a decomposition reaction is a reaction in which a substance breaks into 2 or more substances. A well-known example is decomposition of water. We know water decomposes into hydrogen gas and oxygen gas when energy is supplied. Let us see oxidation number of hydrogen. Oxidation number of hydrogen is plus 1, obvious from basic rules. Oxidation number of oxygen is -2. In H2 gas, oxidation number of hydrogen is 0 because it is in elemental form and oxidation number of oxygen is 0. Obviously, oxidation number of hydrogen changes from plus 1 to 0 and oxidation number of oxygen changes from -2 to 0. Hence, this is also a redox reaction. One more type of redox reaction is displacement reaction. We know displacement reaction is a chemical reaction in which an element is replaced by another element. For example, zinc reacts with copper sulfate to form zinc sulfate plus copper. In this reaction, zinc displaces copper to form zinc sulfate and copper. Let us see if it is a redox reaction. We know zinc is in elemental form. It is oxidation number is 0. Oxidation number of copper is plus 2. Oxidation number of sulfur is plus 6. Oxidation number of oxygen is -2. We have already learned how to calculate oxidation numbers. Oxidation number of zinc is plus 2. Oxidation number of sulfur is plus 6. Oxygen is -2. Oxidation number of copper is 0. Elemental form. We see that oxidation number of zinc changes from 0 to plus 2. Copper changes from plus 2 to 0. Since the oxidation number of two elements changes, hence it is a redox reaction. In this reaction, zinc is a metal which displaces copper, which is also a metal. Hence, this reaction is also known as metal displacement reaction. One more example of displacement reaction is sodium reacts with water to form sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen gas. We know oxidation state of sodium is 0, hydrogen is +1, oxygen is -2. Here sodium is +1, oxygen is -2, hydrogen is +1, and here it is 0. Since oxidation number of sodium changes from 0 to +1, oxidation number of hydrogen changes from 1 to 0, oxidation number of oxygen remains same. Since the oxidation number of two elements changes, hence this is also a redox reaction. In this reaction, we see that hydrogen in water, it is replaced by sodium, which is a metal. A non-metal is replaced by a metal. Last type of redox reaction is disproportionation reaction. A chemical reaction in which the same substance, same element undergoes oxidation as well as reduction is called a disproportionation reaction. For example, KClO3, 4 times KClO3 gives us 3 times KClO4 plus KCl. Let us calculate the oxidation number of chlorine. We know potassium belongs to group first, its oxidation number is +1 and oxidation number of oxygen is -2. Let us suppose that oxidation number of chlorine is X. Then 1 plus X plus 3 into -2 equal to 0. 1 plus X minus 6 is equal to 0. X equals to +5. Let us calculate oxidation number of chlorine in KClO4 also. Let us suppose it is X, this is +1, this is -2. 1 plus X plus 4 into -2, this is also equal to 0. 1 plus X minus 8 equal to 0. X equals to +7. Let us calculate the oxidation number of potassium and chlorine. This belongs to group first, +1, and this is -1. We see that oxidation number of chlorine in KClO3, this is +5. Here it is +7. And here it is -1. We see that oxidation number of chlorine, which is +5 in the reactants, changes to +7. It also changes to -1. And we also know that when oxidation number increases, it is oxidation. And when oxidation number decreases, it is reduction. Hence, the element chlorine undergoes oxidation as well as reduction in this reaction. Hence, this is a redox reaction, and this reaction is called disproportionation reaction.